Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me again for another tutorial. So today we'll be making these beautiful beaded balls. They are beautiful, they are simple and easy to make, and I'm going to show you how you make one. You can make it for this upcoming holiday season for your home decor. They are simple and it doesn't take much bead to make at all. Let me show you the other ones that I make. Look at this one. I use 12mm crystals to make it. This one is 10mm. I just mix with pink and white. And this is size 8mm. This is size 12mm. So they are all the same number of bead that I use. And the sizes of the ball depend on the size of bead you use. If you use a smaller size of bead, you will have a small beaded ball, and bigger size, a bigger ball. Hello, thank you so much for joining me again. So we are going to start beading, and I have on my table here, this is a 12mm red wine color bead in pearls. These are pearls that I have. This is a wine color that I have. It's a 12mm. This is my fishing line that I cut in 50 pounds. This is a 50-pound fishing line that we are going to use, and I cut as long as my wingspan, okay? Or you can cut about 50 to 55 inches long. So with these beaded balls, you can use your own choice of colors of bead and the sizes that you like to make, okay? They all use the same number of beads. So let's get started. This is my line. We are going to start with 5 bead, okay? I'm going to put all these 5 bead on the line. I'm going to string all these 5 bead on the line. Like this. Then we have something like this, okay? Now I'm going to hold the last one. Then I'm crossing my right line into it and pull down. Like this. Then we have a ring of 5 bead. Now the lines are split into 2 like this. My left line, I add 4 bead to it, okay? I add 4 bead to my left line. I'm going to hold the last one again, cross my right line into it and pull down. Then we have something like this. We have 2 rings. Now my right line into the next bead. I'm pulling my right line right into the next bead. This is how the weave is looking like. My line is in 2 bead, okay? These 2 bead, our line remain. Now the left line again, I'm adding 3 bead to the left line. I'm going to hold the last one again and cross my right line into it and pull down like this. Hold and pull, okay? Now my right line again into the next bead. I'm pulling it into the next bead like this. Now our line remain in 2 bead. Now my left line, I add 3 bead to my left line like this. Add 3 bead to the left line. Again, hold the last bead and cross the right line into it and pull down. Now line into the next bead. I'm pulling my right line into the next bead and I add 3 bead to my left line. I'm going to hold the last one, cross with my right line and pull down. Now over here, this is how it's looking like, okay? Now my right line, I get into these 2 bead. These 2 bead, I'm going to pull my line, these 2. The second one, and now my line remain in 3 bead. This 3 bead, my line remain, okay? 1 2 3. Now my left line again, I add 2 bead to my left line. I'm going to cross the last one with my right line and pull, and we have something like this. So my right line again into the next bead. Right into the next bead, I pull my right line, and over here I'm adding 3 bead to my left line. This is my left line, I add 3 bead to it, okay? Now hold the last one and cross with the right line and pull. Now my right line again, I'm going to go into 2 beads. This is the first and second. I'm adding 2 beads to my left line. I'm going to cross again with my right line and pull down. Now into 2 beads again, my right line into these 2 beads. Like this. Okay, the line remain in 3 beads. I'm adding 2 beads to my left line. Like this. Cross with the right line and pull. Now into 2 beads again. I'm pulling my right line again into 2 beads. Now my left line, I'm adding 2 beads to my left line. This is 2 beads I add to my left line. I cross with my right line, pull down. This is how our ball is looking like, very pretty already. Now we're about to complete. So as you can see, the top has 8 beads. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you count all, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 here and 4 on this side. Okay, now I'm going to pull my line. We are going to drop a bead in the middle like this. Okay, just drop a bead in the middle, that we complete. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull my right line into 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to pull through 3 beads like this. Now my line remain in 4 beads. This 4 beads, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is where my line is. And we are going to take this bead, cross both ends of our line into it and pull down. And that's it. That is how you make a beaded ball. So what I will do, I'm going to take off the bead and tie a knot over here. Then I'll weave the rest of the line into the bead. Tie nice and neat, and tie in between the bead and not on the bead. Okay, look at how firm and strong it looks like. Very beautiful. It takes less time to weave and it's simple and easy to make. It doesn't take much bead at all. So over here I'm just weaving the rest of my line into the bead. Make sure it's well secured enough before I trim it off. This is how it's looking like. We are going to add a little ribbon to it so we can hook it to our threads. This is how it's looking like. Very, very beautiful. Very beautiful, very cute and firm. Then I'm going to trim over here. And we are done with our beaded ball. So in all, I used 30 pieces of bead. Okay, I took 31 in case I may change one, but I used 30. One ball take 30 bead. Okay, so over here I'm going to add a ribbon to it. I'm going to just pull this ribbon through the bead and tie it for our holiday trees. Okay, if you want to hang it on a tree, this is how I came up with. I used pliers to pull it through, and now I'm just going to hold it and then tie a bow on top of it, cross and tie. You guys know how to tie bow better than me, so I'm not going to teach this. Just tie a bow, beautiful bow. You know how to do it. You got it like this. Just tie something and make it like a bow form, and it's look beautiful. Just make it nice and neat. Make sure every bow is showing their beauty. Yeah, like this. This is how it's looking like, and you are done. We are done with our beaded bow. This is how it's looking like. Very, very beautiful. I made a white one too. I made it with white pearls. I put a bow on it too, and this is how this one is looking like. Look at how the two of them look beautiful. You make different colors and then hang them on your trees. They look so pretty and beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Again, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.